So as you can see, the angle stop is completely deteriorated, broken, rotted. You can tell, see just how, yeah, that's not good. All the calcium built up. So let's get this changed. Pretty easy. That's why I always say, if you're doing a remodel, or even if you're buying the home, always check for stuff like this. See just how easy these are to change. Get your angle stop puller. You need to have one of these, no, but one of these all the time surely saves a lot of time and effort. And it just pulls that right off. Boom. And then you get your, what's called pipe dope. It's basically like Teflon paste. And then you just kind of basically Teflon your threads. Okay. And then just tighten them down. Done. And obviously you want to make sure you turn them off so when you turn the water back on, you're not flooding your house. So, boom, done.